guys, so this is my Etsy. So excited. Like, I should do ASMR videos. My refreshments. I forgot I did refreshments too. Okay. It didn't have anything in here. Alright. So I got some refreshments. So you can have both. So you could do like the Ipsy Glambag. I got like the cheapest one they got, girl, because I don't got it like that. And then I did go ahead and try to do the refreshments. We're gonna see if I want to keep this going because that's its own separate one. So it came with cleansing face wipes, which I freaking need because I'm tired of washing my face and then using my own washcloths and getting my makeup off. So that came in handy. And then you also have some Luscious hand cream, which I also needed as well. And let's see, it says a luscious drink for thirsty hands. Soak it in because, you know, they're trying to call us dry. Like our hands is dry and ashy. You know, they're trying to say we ashy over here. Okay. Nourishing skin, nails, and cuticles. Okay. Quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration, kind to the skin. Our sparkling clean promise. Always vegan and free of parabens, pH, alethis, and sulfates. I don't know how to say that, but yeah. Formulated without gluten and nut allergens. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatology tested. Okay, and got some shea butter and grapeseed oil and olive oil in here. Wow, okay. And this is a nice pretty size. It's 6 millimeters and 2 full ounces. See how it smells. All right, so you have to open it up. Okay. Actually use it in my hand right now because I'm a little dry. Let's see what smell it's giving. It says citrus spritz. Definitely giving that type of smell, like a almost like a citrus smell, like a plant type of cucumber-ish, lemon type of pepperminty-ish type of smell. All right, now let's see what's in here. Which one is this one? I think this is my December bag. So my other bag should be coming. I don't know why it took them forever to send my November bag, but that is really pissing me off. But I guess it should be in the mail. But yeah, they had to resend it because I'm like waiting and waiting and waiting. I'm like, it is about to be January. What is going on? Because like I will cancel you guys real quick. Like what's happening here? But it says treat yourself. Don't forget to get a little something for yourself too. Shop our closet and clear out sales starting December 14th. Oh, what fun. I don't know, I don't really care about that right now because you guys took forever with my other package. So we got a little makeup brush that came with this one. It's a shader brush, which I definitely needed. It's from Half Cake. Ooh, it's really soft. That's cute. It's really soft, guys. And it's purple. It matches my nails, actually. And then this is the glam bag for December. Nice pink, orange, and a think this is like a reddish type of color. Let's open it and see what it is. I'm so excited. All right. This little tiny thing. What is this? This is some foundation. This actually probably is my color too. Some foundation, a little cute foundation. It's so cute. It's called Face Tape Tarte Foundation, okay? Then we have some Wonder Wand mascara. Some mascara. Let's see. Ooh. This is the brush. Nice. I don't know why I'm smelling this, like it has a smell. Okay, so that's 2. Then we have Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Collection, Clean Luxury Hair Mask. Hair mask, okay. Sulfate free, and it's vegan, paraben free as well. Let's see how you use this bad boy. So moisture treatment hair mask for instant gravitation and some shine. Use weekly or daily and leave on your hair for as long as desired. Then you rinse it out and get glossed up, period. Excuse me. Apply to washed hair for 5 minutes or even overnight. Rinse and yeah, just magnificent. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but okay. So we got a hair mask. I'm gonna definitely try this out because you guys know I love my natural hair anyways. And my wash day is coming up, so I'll let you guys know how I like that product, cause yeah. Then we got Ultra Pair Firming Collagen Cream, safe for sensitive skin. Okay. Instructions. Apply to your face and neck daily in the AM or the PM. Use alone or over a serum. Cool. And you guys know I love to wash my face and have my own skincare routine and stuff. So I'm gonna try to add this to my regimen and see like if I like it or not. It says here, First Aid Beauty. And that's where it's from, Fab. First Aid Beauty. Okay. So this is how it looked in a little cute little bottle. And that's all that came with this one, guys. And I don't know, I might just try to see if I could probably wait and see when my other package is coming so I could just add it to this video, or I'll just upload this video and then wait for the November one to come. Or if that one don't even come, I'm just gonna cancel Ipsy, okay? Because y'all fucking with me. But yeah, guys, so this is my November, I mean not November, see? This is my December package and I'm really excited. And this is my first time ever like ordering from them. So yeah. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, so this stuff smells so good. It smells like a little old lady a little bit, but I like the smell. It don't smell like old lady. It smells like a old vintage type of luxury type of boss babe as rich as women. That's what it smells like. It's just giving rich bitch. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put these back in a little bag. And I love this little bag too, because some of my makeup bags is just like, girl, you need to throw that thing away. But I'm adding to my little collection, so hopefully my other package come, because if it don't come, I'm really gonna cancel it, or I'm gonna like be like, hey, like what are y'all doing? Because I already was like, you know, what are y'all doing? Like, where's my package? And they're like, oh, sorry, like some of the inventory and such is like, you know, down, and you know, we'll send you something else besides the stuff that you had already originally in the other package. So I'm like, yeah, because I've been waiting since November for my other package, but my December one come on time. Yeah, no. So yeah, this goes for that video, and then I'll see you guys next time with another video. Hopefully that comes through, okay? So I can have another video for you guys, period. But ooh, does it smell like you know how like you just want to hug somebody and just keep hugging them because they just smell so good, like your grandma or something? Like that's what it's giving. Like, ooh, like your auntie, like your little chunky auntie or something. Like that's what it's giving. I really love that smell. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.